You know, if you think of the word leaf, this pretty much comes to mind. Just something green that goes around all the plants, but there are so many other colours of leaves to give you a real spectacular foliage effect in your own gardens. Just take a look at this one here. This is Senecio, and the particular variety is called Angel's Wings, and look how bright and silver this is. What a lovely contrast, perfect for containers or in borders too. Now this one does need a little bit of protection during the winter, but it's so vibrant to give colour during the spring and summer. Now, how about this for a contrast? Now this is a heuchera. This one's called Cherry Cola. It's lovely. It flowers in spring, so these flowers above, but it's the foliage it's mainly grown for. And either in full sun or partial shade, it really brightens up the border. Okay, keep on that one. Now, look at the contrast here. This is a carracks, a real explosion of sword-like foliage coming up. Green in the centre, but this lovely golden margin around the outside, and there are many different varieties of ornamental grass. Festuca glauca is a bluey one. You can get another carracks called Evergold, which in its name says that it's a goldy colour, and it certainly is, to add a different dimension. If you think that's good, this is something really special. Alternantithera really gives the coverage. It has white flowers over the surface too, but if you want something red and striking, so much different from the normal green leaf. And again, I love this one, another heuchera. I wasn't going to choose two, but it was so difficult to select between them. This particular one is called Tapestry, and have a look at that plum colour in the centre, and the outer margins there green. It's a real spectacular effect. No wonder it's called Tapestry. And finally, another selection is a little tiny Vinca. Now, normally they're green, they have green leaves, but this one I've just picked up from the garden centre floor here has a golden heart to it. It's called Imagine, this one. And just take a little look at the flower there. That lovely purple flower is really offset beautifully by the gold with a little bit of emerald green around the outside. But just take a look by the side of me here, the different effects of foliage that you can create in your own garden. So get planting and start choosing the foliage rather than the flower. It'll make a real difference in your garden.